Hi, Lacey. How you doing? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. I hope that using my typeface as imagery is okay. Actually, I'm going to recommend that we don't do that. Now, first of all, I want to say this is a really fascinating illustration. This is fantastic. I think just by using basic shapes, you've created this kind of really cool depth, dimension, and volume with just using shapes. This is fantastic. This is good stuff. However, we can't use it because right now the intent of a type of a specimen sheet really is to showcase the typeface with the intent of selling it, basically. You're showcasing the typeface for others to look at, to be able to look at it and get enough information based on what they're looking at to say to themselves, yes, I can use this, or maybe this isn't the typeface for this particular project. You see what I'm saying? That said, we would have to include a full alphabet of uppercase letters, a full alphabet of lowercase letters, the full numeric set which you have, and all of your punctuation which you have. However, it's not really set in a position where somebody would be able to look at it and say, I understand, I can see the versatility, I can see the typeset, I can see how I will or will not be able to use this typeface. For that reason, I recommend recomposing this and really showing. I mean, great idea. You got to take chances, right? So I'm glad to see you taking chances, but unfortunately, in this particular scenario, it's not going to work for the specimen sheet. So take a look at some of those specimen sheets and link out, go on Google and take a look at type specimen sheets. You'll see some really fantastic examples. And there's some great examples in the course announcement as well. So basically what you want to do is, my main thing is to include the name of the type, which you have, in an area of prominence, so it's in first position in hierarchy, which you have here. I would include, really include the entire uppercase alphabet, the entire lowercase alphabet. I mean, to a point where it's very visible that that's what we're looking at, right? And then your numeric character set as well as your punctuation. My main thing here is I think it's really important at this point to typeset some words or short phrases to show different letter combinations. Try typesetting words that are all cap. Try typesetting words that are combination, title case, first letter capitalized like you have here. And then also try to create some short phrases or some words that employ numbers as well as punctuation. Good job with the punctuation there. But, a question, it doesn't have to make sense. I mean, you could even say, is 37 okay? So capital I-S, the number 37, and then okay with a question mark. And that's just a totally random example, but I just wanted you to get an idea of some of the things. The little keywords and phrases you should relate to the subject, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you know what, let's go ahead and keep this. If you want to keep this, go ahead and keep it. I hate to discard it because it's just such a fascinating illustration. So let's go ahead and try to recompose this so you can go ahead and include the full uppercase, the full lowercase, the entire character set, as well as the punctuation, really, and then show those keywords in areas where the viewer will be able to look at it and determine whether or not this is a typeface that would be appropriate for any given project. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. And again, thank you very much for taking chances. It's fantastic. Good, really, really nice presentation here. Fantastic work. All right, those would be my recommendations. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.